All right. In making in positioning the naca into the car, we have to copy the profile of the naca. So you have to open the naca as well as you have to open also the car. Okay. So both are open at the same time, right? So okay. Now on naca, you have to expand the loop, plus one, and then the first sketch we have to edit so that we can see the sketch. Once you see the sketch, you can have yours, you can select by dragging a box like this using your mouse, and then you copy, okay, by using Control C. Once you are already copied the profile of your naca, you go to on your car. Okay, once you are on the car, so I close first this sketch, right? And then all right. So you can sketch on any portion of the car like this. You sketch, okay? And then once you sketch, you can see this symbol appear, and then you are going to paste it. Control B. So if you notice, it's already there. Control B. Then after that, you are going to extrude cut. So when you extrude cut, using these features, of course, so extrude cut, right? So once extrude cut, right, let's say it will be like this. I bring down this back close, okay, and then we cut. All right, so it appears like this. So our sketch, if you notice, is the same profile, and then we extrude cut. So two direction, one going inside deeper and one going outside, so that he can cut any excess part of the car, right? Okay, close, and then it will become like this. So we are going to make the position of the planche. So to do that, okay, we have okay, edit sketch. So this one, we will make the internal part of the car hollow. So by drawing on the right plane, this sketch. So up to you, what is how big is the hollow portion. So for this one, I want a space on this area because later on when I put the scope, okay, the air will be going inside here. Whereas this area is for the nakada, giving air into the engine, right? So the shape and size, it's up to the car that you make as long as it become hollow. So after that, okay, we're going to extrude cut. So when you extrude cut, we're going to look on the top view. So we'll be using mid plane, right? So of course we'll be selecting the two sketch, and then we make sure that it doesn't cut all through the car. It should be only inside, right? So close once done, and then another cut here that we have to do is for the mounting of our nakada, for the plans of the nakada. Okay, so we have to sketch the same plane as we sketched the first, but now it's We are going to convert or offset entities. The original drawing, okay, which is this one, all right. We are going to offset entities, making it bigger by 10 mm. So the sketch must be bigger than the hole or the naca. And then we are going to extrude cut going outside. So once it's done, it will be look like this. So now we're ready to mount the naca on this area of the car. Okay, so the next is extrude bolts. So the extrude bolts, because it's too deep, we're going to expose with, so this with the same. If you notice the sketch of these bolts will be two line. So the same line, we use the same sketch, and then we also convert the inside sketch, and then we extrude bolts going outside. Okay, so the extrude bolts that we did on this is we use up to the base. So meaning we select this base or the extrude bolts. So it will be coincident with this base, right? So once done, it will be look like this. Then this is, we can now ready to put in our naca on this area, right? Because naca is a bit big. See, there's a bit protrusion on this side. It means we can still move downward if we want to move downward. Okay. So if we move downward, so we have to start all over again. We cannot just simply move one and the other is not. Okay, so that's it in the preparation of the installation of the naca.